It's about that time. Group check, group check, group check, group check, group check. About that time, it's about that time, it's about that time, it's about that time.
We are about to do some content
On TVTLan.
Yo, what up?
Yo, what up, everybody? It is your boy, Public Meta Pata, and you know what's up. Groove edition, Papa.
This is not Groove edition.
This is behind the scenes. This is a vlog. This is a vlog. This is a vlog, but also behind the scenes, nyana of Groove edition. So yeah, come with us, guys, as we get ready to go dance with other people.
And also, guys, we are celebrating 1 year of friendship.
Yeah, 1 year anniversary of friendship here too, guys. I know it seems like we've been friends for like a while, but if you find like a friendship like this, make sure to keep it, guys. Make sure to keep it, because yeah, this is brotherhood at its best. But let's get into it, guys. Get into it.
Yo, guys, yabona mhlanje ngifuna umplaga. If you're a broke student or you're broke, buy this. You never go wrong.
On a budget.
Tight budget.
On a budget.
If you follow the way, Palapa inbox.
It's in
So a supplier.
Box, we're gonna supply you, guys. Yeah. Guys, I'm showing you. The vendor people, we're one of the last groups to migrate to South Africa, to the south of Limpopo. Lies. Guys, this is 43%. This is 43%. Be in front. Not big shorts. So, if you guys ask us, you know, we're not gatekeeping anymore. You know the truth now. Not for sale for persons under the age of 18. Okay, guys.
It's a game before we go to a groove.
Yeah, we just wanna have fun.
Yeah,
So yeah.
So
So
that-
So we're close at young, so we have to give to the ancestors, the undergrounds. We have to give it to the ancestors before. So we're gonna play rock paper scissors. So
Always lay to the short.
So it's 1, 2, 3, go. Kanye.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, fix myself.
1, 2, 3, go.
1, 2, 3, go. The position, man. Hasn't been there, guys.
Shit! Fuck! This team nanda
I think this is the last time.
Right, last time. Hey!
Last two.
That's been the
Josh, last two.
Yeah.
I am cheating. We are late. Yeah. No, yes, Kalera.
Hey!
Last time. Like, 2 and 2 at least. Wrong idea. Last time, guys. Wrong idea. Wow. Can't Yeah. That's it.
The groove more.
Yeah. We're just
The
getting
groove.
prepared. We're just getting prepared. Yeah, this is like behind the scenes. And this is the guy before the groove. We just have fun and then friendship chemistry nyana kwenzela ukuba mase sifika pa sifike sigrab same wavelength nyana but yeah, that was just a young entertainment nyana. The real thing starts now.
Listening to my music.
Yeah, listen to your own music, guys.
This is me singing background. It's long. Bundles are pretty.
Ooh. See you now, guys. See you soon. Oh, yeah.
Thieves. People don't love us.
Let's tell us music young, cause our years are how we mad. Let's go. Go tell us music young, cause our years are how we mad. We busy test on doing nigga, let's do what we can. You busy saying shit about my name, why you mad? Cause I'm going higher to the top, I get. Cause dancing my stomach, got in on the come can. Why you mad? Tell me, are you mad? Why you mad? Can't why you mad? Why you mad? Can't why you mad? Oh, busy test us doing nigga, let's do what we can. You busy saying shit about my name, why you mad? Cause I'm going higher to the top, I get. Dancing my stomach, got in.
Stop. Yo guys, we're having fun.
So today we're in, what is this? The Wave Lounge.
Wave Lounge Center,
The Wave Lounge.
Business Center, whatever you can call it, we are in there. We're having fun.
We're doing the most. We're late.
People are out here having fun.
But hello. Can you introduce yourself?
To the vlog. What the fuck? As you can see, people are having fun.
People are having fun, guys.
We're having fun. Mommies are out. They're also out. The vibe is out. What the fuck do you want in life?
I'm telling you.
The buzz, the rhyme scheme, motherfucker.
Guys, I'm here with the rapper. So obvious the rhymes will come out naturally. I'm telling you, the rhymes will come out naturally. I'm telling you.
We are having fucking time.
We are doing content right now.
Wait, we're just waiting for Trapsin to perform, eh?
Yeah.
Right now, waiting for Trapsin.
I'm performing, and then we're gonna TVT everything. We're not gonna leave you guys out. Yeah, we're gonna TVT everything.
We're just having fun, guys.
Just tune in. Just tune in on the vlog.
1 year of friendship, my nigga.
I'm telling you to tell, but not.
Come on, Z.
I'm telling you.
You are even hearing Scott Mapuma right now. Say hi to the vlog.
Say hi to the vlog. The mummies don't want to say hi to the vlog.
But we are having fun.
We are.
Set the wave.
And the wave lounge. We told you. We're doing the most. We're doing the most today. We're looking clean. The drip is on. Guys, it's on fire.
Mommies are out. I've been telling you, niggas. What the fuck?
Yeah, what the fuck? What the luvuyo thipe on our vlog. On the vlog. Happy birthday to you.
Look at the mommies.
We don't care.
Look at the mommies.
We don't care. 21, big 21. Big 21.
Drive imoto cha keyo.
Banecha utrava ndoni.
Drive na macheri.
Shit! The bus!
Driver crazy.
Shit!
Yeah, guys. We're gonna keep you in touch. We're gonna keep you in touch.
You feel me?
If you leave him.
Having fun.
Yo, we in the house. Las Vegas now.
Outside right now.
You're outside today? Are we? Introduce yourself.
No.
He's acting nonchalant.
I'm nonchalant.
He's acting nonchalant. You horrify me, man.
Yeah, keep farming.
Why you horrify me? This is a vlog. Why you horrify me?
Trying to be mysterious and shit.
I got this nigga goes by the name Luvuyo thipe. What the fuck?
Go eat alone. Go eat it.
It's easy.
Your socials. Give us your socials.
Your social.
I go by interlude _7. You feel me on Instagram? Yeah.
Away.
I only on Instagram.
Yeah, I'm only available on Instagram. You feel me? Yeah.
He's only available on Instagram. Yeah. There is. If you wanna check him out, check him on Instagram. Away. He's horrifying. What's going on, man? So, we're celebrating birthday yake and we're celebrating our 1 year anniversary of friendship. So, celebrating two things at once. I'm telling you to sell. Two birds, one stone. Two birds, one stone. I'm telling you. That's a kill. That's a kill. Oh, I know.
Yo, what the fuck?
Don't copyright!
Don't copyright!
That's an understatement! That's an understatement! What's going on? What's going on? Birthday done! That's an understatement! I'm saying it again! Birthday done!
Okay, so guys, today is the vlog, so we here with
Nkosazana nakubonga. Nkosazana. Kanti thina wena.
Nkosazana bani.
Nkosazana Doka.
Hi, yeah.
Nkosazana bani. Uyazi.
Ulisenyeni.
Igama lakho.
Nkosazana igama lami.
Ezosebenza ngoFacebook.
Nkosazana.
Black all the way. Black all the way.
Vela, all the black.
Yeah, Ima, oh. Não pus buzo. Não pus buzo, não. Okay. Oh. Kutendo ambileti yaro pino bue. Tá comendo crua. Hadi bona babona. Tuesday siyafika. Ngiyasebenza. The birthday can. The birthday can.
Happy birthday to me.
What are you saying? What are the day? What are the day? What are the
day?
nights?
What are the nights?
What are the nights?
Okay. Man thing Jay, let me just think about.
Yeah.
Bitches gonna be bitches, dog.
Bitches gonna be bitches.
Bitches gonna be bitches,
Bitches
dog.
gonna do what bitches
So
gonna do.
bitch the bitches.
Yeah.
You see?
I'm telling you.
Bitch the bitches. Underline in bold.
You.
Bitch the bitches. Yeah.
Mamela.
Otherwise, now I'm a married man.
I'm gonna put you up. Kuyaselwa. What of the day? Okay, Ima. Okay, that's what of the day.
What of the day? What's the word of the day?
I'm telling you, but not commands.
Okay.
You telling me, but not commands. I think I'm causing a
Ivan Tini. Okay, I'm gonna be accurate and the serious. Yo. The serious word of the day is chapter 19, verse 29.
Okay.
KwiBhayibhile. Ngaba sisimokolweni kodwa ke nayazi iBhayibhile. Ithi sinqaniwe. Sinqaniwe.
Easter weekend.
You know what I'm saying?
Mfazi wakho.
Ikhona iphula siyaziyo ngumfazi wakhe. Asazi
Wena nawe nayo asingenzi na. Yeah, you talk Yo guys, this is my third drink of the day.
This nigga is too fucked up.
Hello guys. Today, this is my third drink. This is my third.
Hey yo. Say niggas.
I say Brahma, let's show camera in the order. On the order.
Oh shit. This nigga got order, bro.
Like order yako bro. Like in the loitita ngayo wena like me order. Way too much, papa.
Ooh,
these chicks.
Fire. Order family is crazy. Order family is crazy.
What the fuck?
That's 10,000 order family. That's crazy, man.
What the fuck's going on with you, boy?
What?
Bring your cheese.
Nah.
Bring your cheese.
Otherwise, Buddhas.
Bring your cheese.
Shout out to you all. Shout out to the Christmas Chance. Pablo, Slim Ray, Escobar, nigga Oam,
Pablo, Escobar,
Raz.
my nigga Chris.
Shout out to you all guys.
Dennis
So
Shane.
like us.
Dennis
Niggas.
Mahon.
Raz niyakute yo. Like your boy last check
Hey,
man.
Raz, like
Kute, niyakute. Yes. andiyazi uba
Hala,
ukhe
ngisirious
kutheni
ngalawe
tazi
ihora, man.
batazi nina budas
Hala, ngisirious ngalawe ihora,
batazi
batazi.
cela niyazi nje
Awe, orman serious.
ningaze nilibale
Cela
uba okay
ngisemashaka wenu.
yijani maka abashoni
Sanxesha lapho.
yijani abashoni after lo igqibile
Cela macheri, tazi.
awuthe uyijani abashoni igqibile
Like it does better speeches. Like that girl.
Wait.
Oh, uyanifuna lamnana lowa. Pause.
No. Cameraman, mysterious cameraman, you feel me? Mysterious cameraman, bro. Mysterious? Ooh, what a chat, niggas! Doubly cameraman in the chat.
But what? Telling me about her aunt. What the fuck is going on? What is he saying? Nah, he's telling me. Talking about that's her aunt. That's money. What do you mean? That's my nigga. That's her aunt. I don't know what I mean. You don't know. Nobody. Yeah. That's the only that I wanna. I mean, that's the on, bro. That's what you say? That's what you say? The fuck? I'm telling you to tell. I taught you this shit. I'm telling you to tell. Manonga Manzi. Hey man! She's not that time,
Every time inside protection for your eyes. And I cannot do I see my own design. And I wait up before you gave me a sign. No, no, no. What? I lose my mind. No. Next time. Baby, oh, you drive me crazy. Oh, but you my heavy. Oh, I'm on your head. Oh. What is all on you? That is all for you. I've been all for you. It's not for you. That is cool. That is cool. I should be. That is my way. I'll try my way. And my way. And I will ask you for you, give me a spine, though. I know, I lose my mind, though. Baby, you got me crazy, but you my heavy, I'm on your radio. What is all on you? What is all for you? I'll be more for you. What you love for you? That is cool. I should cool. I said, baby, I don't throw them away. So big at my wedding. In my chair. I got lost now. I'm cheating. I'm cheating. Every good day. Brother, mine. Bro. Thank you, bro. Mama, don't die. My future wife. One day we go and walk the aisle. Don't be surprised. What? I need some feelings. What? I need some feelings. What? I need some feelings. So we can live this life. Lambo. Responsibility. That's all I'm showing you. I need your melody. That's Coca-Cola. Okay, guys. Okay, we're logging out today. We're logging out. So, thank you for tuning in. This is the vlog. This is the end of the vlog. I'm drunk as vlog. And Oche Pablo Lelo. I'm the only one standing. So, I'm still a crew. But, thank you for tuning in. Yeah. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you very much. We thank you for the support. Yeah. Vlog out. Fucking yakandozala jo because I'm really a son of lava jo only flex go lead them again I got thing I change out got the intense I saw when that shit enough to decline don't know what's second in the girl like that I'm really a yakandozala jo because I'm really a son of lava jo when they throwing shades, touches away this fucking friend. No salisa chike lizi pesi mtaka ngati hombelewa kumdo semwabe. Ispaneli mita klemisha manchita. Vyolu fume bandi hoto kuhita matange kumelelo mteni notika. Fune shimala mafuno my sister. Sole sila mekando tati mil. Suku na suku sobe shiti mil. Sole spana soya sfiga di mil. Isi malendo poye hope to me. Like kelena di yenzi runo sala tu. Sobe salama. Epedi kelena chidi muno pala tu. Hallelujah, chapas in my boss. Ezana no ni la jonga because. Hallelujah, tibi fikili boss. Majeja kakulu man bezi si chos. Ngele no ni enze luno sala cho. Sobe salama cho. Epedi kelenga tibi muno pala cho. Esi ndas kapa mina cash ka fan. Enge kete oleti lespan. Fesele kasumente na na line. Fesele kasumente na command. Kaza emile ya kana sala cho. Sobe salama cho. Kaza emile ya sobe na lamba cho. Because this shit is it, I'm meditating in the sea, smoking some blues, gotta repeat that shit. Ain't nobody past me, see me rapping on the beat, gotta be coming and packing, turning my leads. Kusazo bali, kusazo mnandi, mnandi zifela numbali no azi. Didn't touch a hope, that's one is a child of party. So I'm a niggas on the board to be in your brand new city, I'm fucking your bitch. Act like a diva, ni mama let you so we are and the phone in music, when I like the man, if I like the man. I'm none of the lava is on the morning and I put the case in my ear, and none is saying the money, it come on boozy man. Way back in the day, you niggas would drink like water. I smoke like every day, my nigga, I'm hot like a lighter. Drugs will pop apart, when they're bunny and water. How about you sip, what you do, my nigga, I gotta be harder. Way back in the day, you niggas would drink like water. I smoke like every day, my nigga, I'm hot like a lighter. Drugs will pop apart, when they're bunny and water. How about you sip, my nigga, I gotta be harder.
Yakubula sitafila kaudi kensho le sichonga nani funa nyani mali Lisbona nkubi mote nkule gaga manje ngamilura Shita nobali
Exeta mavis Ispola puda yame yazi kupo lofezeka Enkazoni bitches soda zingakhali Nami Lisbona mthole komnyupaza paza Wenzi nishayeli yuka yam my nobali
Exeta B
Exeta mavis Dancing no bandesian, but to pumele like touches carbon is all in the cars. Tryna make some dollars for my fam cause I wins in life. To be in you kill it if and phone something malia.
I accept it, said I have been like in Pumele. I put the poker money trailer, but was the balance. Now when the double in my list, singing and no fence. I saw what you want to call you, and you can't see what
how I get back telling now, but so the Massimele is a two-headed coach for the sense now dreading.
I'm running after money, get my name. Money come on, Samusa, get Funeka, the Fumene.
Yeah, even music, and the shit my life is a move. Niggas be talking about face, I'm here, I don't know what to do, and I'm not in the code. I keep it cool every day,
niggas and niggas is lame. I've been born about 80 with only the years and they feeling me size. Stop begging like nines, you dwell in the now, scoop only the fucking lines I'm weak for sure. And I reckon the bombing it talk, sit down and the lava choke, and I'm doing I'm boost up, I'm like a for sure. You niggas that cheaping, you cannot control me, you cheaping a lot, why you niggas to phone. I'm trying to build up a name for myself and get out the hood and I touch it ball. In my blood when I'm somebody's up, give me shoes, we got on love. Niggas do anything just to pop, they can keep it 100 like us. In my blood when I'm somebody's up, give me shoes, we got on love. Niggas do anything just to pop, they can keep it 100 like us.
I gotta keep it a G, certified, I'll never switch on my G.
If you sliding, I'ma slide my G. Never tripping on this, keeping the G. Bitches popping on the app, there were numbers. I told it, lady, to go check on my links. I get a nigga yelling, trapping with weekend. I told the Lugo I was keeping the G.
Now they gon' fucking with vibes, shawty funny niggas who want me.
If the ladies are the only this law, I can do it, I'm dollars. Don't pass a little one of my guys, these are my steady selling Jesse, but like, niggas out there selling Jesse, starting with life. Say I know it's all fucking line, my son. Yeah, new boozy. They be shooting my life is a movie. Niggas be blocking my space, I'm hate, I don't know what to do in the line, they call me. I keep it cool, every niggas and niggas is lame. I've been born about 80 with in the years and they feeling the size. Stop begging like nice, you dwell in the now, scoop only, I'm fucking the lines, I'm new for sure. And they reckon the bombing it too. Sit down and the lava choke, using a loan and lose the pub like a jello for sure. You niggas that cheaping, you cannot control me, you cheaping a lot, why you niggas to phone. I'm trying to build up a name for myself and get out the hood and I touch it in pool.
Fucking cool, I'm listening to this cool. I'm cool, thank you, I'm a cool. Full cool, full of cool, come up on the money, do a cool. The time to kill them a cool, plan, yeah, man, because I'm a cool. Booze, woman, booze. Why don't these are booze? Shut my horns on top of my spoons. You say I'm on that bullshit. So can't go to the move. No fuck that shit, I'm moving. Now, I'm a goose. So look when I'm a new goose. It's not just a start every line. Peace, not just almost for every line. No sounds, if it's a man line. The chairman now says I'm a line. All of my niggas always on my side. Suguna Sugu man is on my mind. But I'm a feel I always wanna lie. Shining on a boy, I'm never gonna lie. Yeah, no booze. I still on things and booze. They want to judge with my shoes. Finally, some second is fuse. Except I choose. Y'all niggas actually my shoes. You know my niggas ain't taking no blues. Trying to dress and fix my moves.
Yeah, new moves. They be shooting my life is a movie. Niggas be blocking my space. I'm here, I don't know what to do and I'm not in the corner. I keep it cool every day cause you niggas is lame. I've been born about 80 with in the years and they feeling the size. Stop begging like nines. You dwelling the nouns. Go pulling and fucking them lines I'm leaving for surely. And they reckon the bombing it too. Sit down and the lava choke, using a loan and I'm boozed up, I'm like a jello for sure. You niggas that cheating, you cannot control me, you cheating a lot, why you niggas to phone. I'm trying to build up a name for myself and get out the hood and I touch it in.
No members ufike ngekaka sazoqeqesha bonke abantwana sekuphethe iminyaka emininzi ezilwana zigcinga lo mculo zawuyeka kodwa nthexa ndisimamela nam nazivela le ntshayelo nyani liyeza bapashani kumabona kude ndiqalile bonke
It's so cool. It's a bad idea. Whoever invented Alcala. So
yesterday was a Mazda. It was fire yesterday, but people got drunk and
which people?
People got drunk.
Hey.
People got drunk and he forgot to vlog everything. But at least I did get some things. At least I did get some things. Traps in for men, a performer, no Davilen, and at least you got something. So the vlog is gonna be. So we're putting you on, guys. What do we do when we like snap up a lot, buy bread, or taking chips, cornut chips? Cornut chips. What is the tech shop called?
Polash.
A Polash tech shop. Yeah.
You're like Gotola. I know a papala guy get banned always. Me.
And then, guys, we're gonna put you on. The chips, 10 rand. Only 10 rand. You don't even need. On this vlog, we've been putting you on when it comes to using those budgets. About must budget your money as a student, guys. Must budget your money. Make sure you spend it wise. Oh, activity. It's bad, bro.
Yeah.
It's bad.
Zimbiasina, bro.
It's bad. Papalaza's on the highest score. I only slept like a few hours because I was up all night. Hey, guys. The things we do for your guys, for your content, the things we do for your guys, it's bad. But that's fine. See, I'm the rate. I pull up and I said, but the trip was tripping yesterday. The trip was trip check. CNZ trip check. Oh, wow. Check that trip check out. This trip is all.
Yo.
So,
Shit.
we're gonna continue again. As is for many order it. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, our order is here, guys. Our order is here. So we just finna chow. This thing is very cheap, guys. This thing is very cheap, and it's a lot. Kasi flavor nyana. We're putting you on. My guy is hungry. He can't hold himself. But thank you for watching the full video. If you've made it up to this point, you're a real one. You're a real real fan. You're a real fan. The Pablo Kaume, man.
Comment, like, and subscribe.
like, share, comment, like, and subscribe. Yeah? It's like you are here. I think I'm still trying. So it's comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.